Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Factorising Trinomials worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of factorising trinomials. This is a reasonably involved worksheet here, so if you haven't seen anything like this before, you'll probably need to go to the lesson. So if you go to the last slide, click on the link that I've provided. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for 1 minute, but you can pause the video for as long as you like, and then I'll move on to the next slide. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now. I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute before I move on to the last slide. Okay, here's the last slide, and you can click on the link there if you need the lesson to give you an explanation of how to do some of those examples. I hope you go well with this worksheet.